Hey guys! Joyce Yap with Bartolome here. So, this afternoon, nagdi-drizzle na guys. So, we had a very good nap. Nag-sleep kami from 12:30 to 3:30 p.m. And now, we're scheduled for a hop-on, hop-off bus tour. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, whenever you travel, get that sightseeing tour para kita nyo yung place na pupuntahan nyo. And then, from there, check nyo yung mga spots na gusto nyong balikan. Yun lang. Ngayon, guys, medyo umaambon, no? Diba sa deck, upper deck tayo nagsistay. So, let's see. Nag-secure naman ako sa Klook ng ticket here. And then, I get yung ticket nila na pwedeng i-cancel or pwedeng i-reschedule kapag ganito. So, it will take us 9 minutes going to Opera House here in Hanoi from our hotel. So, later, I'll be sharing with you yung process to avail our Klook Pass na ilalagay ko dito. And don't forget to use my Klook code if you wanna get discounts whenever you travel. Hanoi, Vietnam is known for its rich culture and vibrant city. So what's the best way to see it is to ride a hop-on, hop-off bus which we booked through Klook. So samahan nyo kami. So for today's activity, you just need to go to this booth. Kung makikita nyo, this is the City Sightseeing Hanoi which we booked from Klook. The time schedule is here. Just need to show them your voucher to get the physical ticket. If hindi naman kayo nakabook through Klook, you can also buy their tickets here. What the best way to see Hanoi City is to go hop-on, hop-off sightseeing tour. So for this time, guys, mayroon kasi siya na day tour and night tour. We chose the day tour, guys. No hop-off siya, but you can also get their day tour for 4 hours if you want to go down the different spots here in Hanoi. So ayan, we're just across the Hanoi Opera House. So guys, ito, makikita niyo naman ang mga red buses there. So get your physical tickets here, guys. You just need to show your vouchers from Klook para makuha nyo ito. And now, our time is at 5 o'clock. Perfect lang para hindi mainit. This is the last stop of the hop-on, hop-off bus for today. So ayan, sakay tayo! Now settled, let's do it the touristy way for day 1. We're now here at their double-decker sightseeing bus. We'll see 11 stops of Hanoi. Ito guys, yung kinuha namin, no hop-off siya. So we have 45 to 50 minutes. Let's go and see Hanoi! Binibigyan din tayo guys ng disposable earphone so that maririnig natin from here ang kanilang audio guide. Need nyo lang siyang isasaksak dito. And then you choose na kung anong language. So, us English, pero there's French, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Spanish, German, Russian, Thai, Vietnamese. So, yan. Dito tayo sa English. We're at Hanoi Opera House. This is one of the most known locations here in the city, and usually they do ballet shows dito sa Opera House. Dito nyo rin guys makikita yung mga luxury shops just across. So if you're gonna go shopping, this is the best area for you. This, guys, is the West Lake. This is 500 hectares of lake. Thing I love about Vietnam, guys, first look is ang dami nilang puno, ang dami nilang park. People can have their slow days, play lang sila. Ayan, go to coffee shops. Yun lang, guys, ang ating weather here in Hanoi, especially now that it's July. It's the rainy season, very unpredictable, biglang lumakas at lumaki ang patak ng ulan. Pero tuloy pa rin ang ating pasyal. So make sure to bring your umbrellas whenever you travel here in Hanoi.
Buti na lang prepared kami, guys.
Yes, make sure to bring your umbrellas, guys.
Baka sipunin yung camera.
Tuloy pa rin ang pasyal. Tama naman, guys, since we're doing sightseeing tour, no, kailangan makita ang daan. Huwag na tayong mag-umbrella. Bawal ang umbrella, guys, para kita ninyo. So, yun. You have an option to wear your raincoat. Ayan. So, meron tayong hat, meron tayong raincoat from them. Kasama na yan sa ating 292 pesos lang na ticket. Very sulit. I highly suggest that you get this tour as well.
Kailan ka uling nasuot ng raincoat? Parang elementary pa.
Oo, hindi ko na ma-remember.
Kasi kapag may ulan ngayon, sana nagpe-pray na lang suspended.
And we are back! Guys, that is the best way to start our Hanoi trip, to go on a hop-on-hop-off bus or a sightseeing bus tour, guys. Sobrang na-amaze ako kasi you get 45 to 50 minutes to go around the city. Talaga, guys, walang traffic. Doon ako na-amaze, no, na they really have their efficient na transportation. Walang traffic. Lahat ng places na nandun sa sightseeing na maps, napuntahan talaga namin. So if you're looking for a sulit activity, you get lang 292 pesos bus tour and see the city of Hanoi. The best part doing our sightseeing tour is that we get to see one of the famous historical landmarks of Hanoi. We are at Hanoi Opera House, guys. This was built in the early 2000s and inspired by the Palais Garnier in Paris. Guys, para hindi tayo magkamali, labas na natin ang kodigo natin. This opera house is a stunning example of a French colonial architecture. So yan, guys, this is famous for popular political events during the early 2000s, and in 1995, guys, this has a major renovation kasi nagkaroon dito ng event in 1997. So today, there are several shows na ginaganap dito. Price starts at 400,000 dong. So yan, guys, there are other activities that you can do inside. So, alamin natin yan sa mga susunod na araw. So, this is Hanoi after sunset. So, if you're gonna ask me about my first impression dito sa Hanoi, guys, if you can remember, kung hindi nyo pa napanood, lagay natin dito, in November, nagpunta tayo sa southern part of Vietnam, in Ho Chi Minh, and now naman, it's July 2025, and we're here naman at Hanoi, the northern part of Vietnam. So, kung hindi nyo pa nga alam, guys, may 4 seasons dito. Kung gusto nyo ng winter na budget, you can visit the city. So, unlike in Hanoi, nasabi ko nga, it's a beautiful chaos. Dito, guys, okay naman siya. Hindi siya ganong karaming motor. Pero, guys, ang ratio ng motor dito, pakita ko sa inyo sa likod, is 2.5 motors per tao. So, there are 22 cars lang sa 1,000 motor dito sa Hanoi. Ayan, guys, nagsastart ng magbukas ang mga ilaw. So, kung papipiliin nyo ko ngayon pa lang, if you're gonna go to Vietnam, Hanoi, guys, mas chill siya, very vibrant, and na-amaze talaga ako na there are cultural sites sa gitna ng city. May lake, may ganitong mga opera house, so it's a must visit din masarap ang pagkain. So, ayan! Excited ako sa mga darating pa na araw. We'll be staying here for 4 days pa, guys. So, let's start our night naman here in Hanoi, Vietnam. Nandito sa likod natin yung mga city tour bus. So, hindi ko na kayo chinika pa during the tour, no, guys? Kasi syempre gusto kong ma-experience nyo rin first hand, marinig yung nasa audio guide natin, and then immerse sa kanilang culture and appreciate kung anong mga makikita nyo. So, ayan, naka-check na tayo ng isa sa mga bucket list natin here in Hanoi. And nakita na rin natin yung mga pwede pa nating puntahan sa iba pang araw. So, ganda! Okay guys, samahan nyo naman kami sa ating night tour, walking tour. Sama kayo sa amin here in Hanoi. Ayan, sa harapan guys, may mga luxury brands na. May Dior doon, may Prada dito. Pero tayo ay maglalakad lang. For today's video, punta tayo ng Huan Kiem Lake. From Opera House, it's just around 15 minutes walk guys. Malapit lang ang mga bagay-bagay dito. Walkable siya, so make sure that you wear your comfortable shoes all the time na nagta-travel kayo. Tara, let's tingnan natin kung anong pwedeng kainin, anong sightseeing, anong mga coffee shops na pwede nating puntahan here. We're walking dito guys sa street ng mga luxury goods. Ang Hermes nila ay sarado pa. Nandito tayo sa Pho Trang Tien. Guys, para pa rin ako tinatawag ng trabaho. Ito guys. Diba? Mas tinawag ako ng trabaho kaysa tinawag tayo ng shopping. Kita nyo na guys kung gaano kaganda naman ang Hanoi sa gabi. Hindi ka ganong bustle and hustle like nung nakita natin sa Ho Chi Minh. Relax siya. It's now 6:30 p.m. We're now walking towards Huan Kiem Lake, guys. So this is the walking street, and tuwing weekend, guys, sarado siya, allowing the tourists and even the locals to stroll around. May mga performances dito, guys. May mga shops, may mga street food. So enjoy natin siya. Ito kami ni Zelo, nagtitake kami ng photos. So guys, if marinig nyo mamaya ang mga malalakas na busina at motor, it's because wala na tayong mic. Hope okay lang sa inyo. Let's do more of the montage ng mga paligid. Alam kong gusto nyo mamasyal with us. Lakad lang tayo. Dito sa harapan namin guys, maraming mga stores. Nandiyan na rin ang mga McDo and all. There are people running, people eating. Ayan guys, masarap ang pagkain sa Vietnam. So kung naghahanap kayo ng mura, budget travel, dito kayo magpunta. And guys, yan, from Opera House, pakita ko sa inyo guys, ayun lang diretso lang doon is the Opera House. Now we're here na at Huan Kiem Lake. For tonight's video guys is to look for something to eat. Kain tayo ng pika-pika, kain tayo ng pho, kain tayo kung anong gusto nating kainin today. Samahan nyo kami, kain tayo ng konti-konti. Ang dami rin nilang prutas dito, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Yon, may prutas din. May mga nagda-dance dito guys, look. Guys, ang tagal ko nang naiintriga sa Mishu kung saan sa ang Asian countries ko ito nakikita. So ngayon, finally, ita-try na natin siya. Let's order! Ice cream, guys, ang kanilang best seller. Pero ngayon, o-order tayo ng refreshment, bubble milk tea, 25,000 dong or 54 pesos. Hindi ko malasa. Mas tea. Mas tea na tea siya, which I love. Bouncy ang kanilang pearls. Similar siya sa pearl ng sa Taiwan. Yung favorite natin. Ano ulit pangalan nun? Shin Putang. Yun guys. Pero yung milk tea niya, mas madami yung tea. You can also shop sa kanilang Uniqlo, guys, dito sa Hwang Kiem. From Uniqlo, guys, maglakad tayo pabalik. Ayan kanina yung close na street. Ito, yan pa rin ang lake. Lalabas tayo doon kasi nandun ang mga kainan. Guys, a reminder also for you guys, since sa lake tayo at maraming puno, maraming lamok. So, katulad namin, wala kami dalang mga mosquito repellent. So, if you're gonna go here at lamukin kayo, katulad ko, magdala kayo yan. It's a must-have when traveling. Hindi namin nadala, pero yan, it's a reminder for you to get one. Guys, nagsimula ng umulan. Good thing may mall sa harapan natin. Pasok muna tayo habang nagpapatila. I think more on the luxury brands ang nandito. May Gucci, Montblanc, Rolex. Ayan, check natin. Here's how the mall looks like, guys. Lahat ay luxury. Yan. Simulan nyo sa Dolce & Gabbana, Gucci, Tiffany, Cartier, Burberry. Fast lang tayong sumilip. Balmain, second floor, Armani. Guys, nakarating na kami sa movie house. Ang cozy pala ng seats nila. Oh. Showing pa naman ang Superman. Anong ginawa niyo sa Vietnam? Nanood ng sine. Magkano sine dito? Guys, tinatawag ako ng sausage. Kain tayo. Guys, let's try ang sausage. Street food here in Vietnam. Yan. Sabi ko spicy. Ang daming powder. Kita nyo? Similar siya sa Taiwan sausage. Masarap. Manamis-namis. Maanghang lang yung powder. Sabihin nyo kung hindi kayo mahilig sa maanghang, wag na or konti lang. Ako, I love it. Yan guys, that's what I love about going to another country, no? Yung street food nila, natatry natin. So, mahilig tayo sa sausage. Nakatry tayo for 20,000 dong or around mga 45 pesos. Pwede na. Malaki siya ng konti dun sa Taiwan sausage na binibili namin sa Serenity. Diba?
Rice na lang po.
Rice na lang, kulang.
Taiwan sausage para 200 natin.
Oo. So guys, masarap ngayon mag-noodles dahil umuulan. Hanap tayo ng kakainan. So ngayon, pantawid gutom muna natin ito. It's 7:30 now here in Hanoi. Yan, abangan kung saan tayo next kakain. Guys, naglakad na tayo pa Old Quarter. Di ko lang kayo nasama, pero nandito na tayo sa busy part. Ito ang sikat na Kong Cafe. Hey guys, behind us is the St. Joseph's Cathedral here in Hanoi. This is one of the Catholic churches here. So, ayan guys, you can only visit during mass hours tomorrow. Meron starts at 5 a.m. So, isama ko kayo ulit sa umaga. Naglalakad lang tayo ngayon and we saw the beautiful St. Joseph's Cathedral at night. Nadaanan din natin isa sa mga sikat na banh mi mama. Ito guys, isa sa sikat na food here in Hanoi. Try nyo ito sa mga mahilig sa bread. Banh mi mama. Across guys is one of the famous pho spots here in Hanoi, Pho Ten. So tayo kakain for dinner. Maulan today guys, perfect weather for pho. Ayan, kita nyo may pila. It is a Michelin Bib Gourmand in 2023 and 2024. Guys, ganun lang. Niluluto lang yung beef, yung raw beef sa may hot soup. mo. Okay guys, we just finished our food here at Foten. It's so good guys. Reason why bakit siya Michelin Babe Gourmand. So ganito yung naging process. Pumila kami for a bit, mga 5 to 10 minutes. And then guys, make sure lang na you're comfortable sharing tables kasi nga this is a go-to place for pho, especially now that it's raining. So mag-share kayo ng table, tapos people come and go. And then dun sa table pa lang, meron ng menu. So ang kinuha namin yung 1 and 2. Ano siya, yung pho, yung noodles yon. Meron siyang soup sa beef stock na niluluto ng matagal. So we got isang well done and half-cooked na beef. And then, nagpa-add ako ng bread. Ito, ipakita natin dyan ang ating bread. And then, nag-order ako ng kanilang tea. Kung katulad ko kayo na mahilig sa tea na tea talaga, walang sugar, get nyo yun guys. Iced tea nila yon. And then, ayun, na-enjoy namin. It's a perfect hot soup for a cold weather. A perfect way to end our night for dinner here in Hanoi. So, ayan guys, if you're coming here, don't forget to visit Foten. In-order namin. Ma-recommend ko siya. So, guys, ito na. Ang ating price reveal is just 150,000 dong or around mga 350 pesos. Ganun lang, guys. So, sabi namin, di ba, mag-withdraw pa kami ng 5,000 pesos. Sobra na yon. So, yan. Sana naririnig nyo ako. May music lang sa tapat natin. It's a must visit here.
Super.
Rate ko is 10 out of 10 for pho. Kasi hindi ako nakakakain ng ganong pho sa Philippines. Tapos pala guys, isa pa rin sa pwede nyo gawin. Una, i-try nyo muna yung original soup niya. Tikman nyo muna. Tapos towards the experience, dahil malaking bowl yun, pwede nyo dagdagan ng vinegar with garlic. Tapos pwede nyo next round naman with chili para iba-iba yung level ng inyong noodles. So ayun. It's fun din that you get to be seated with other people. May nakachikahan kami kanina. So, happy ako sa ating dinner for tonight. Ikaw?
Mapapapa ka sa sarap.
Wow. So, yan.
Supa sa larap.
Supa sarap. So, yun guys. Let's end the night here. Let's see if masasama ko pa kayo sa paglakad dahil medyo umuulan-ulan. Thank you so much for watching our night. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow all my social media accounts at Yapot Joycean on Instagram and JY on TikTok.
Ay, kala ko
Wala pa. Thank you so much for watching our Hanoi Vietnam vlogs. Hey, see you on the next one. Bye. First stop, let's eat at a local noodle shop.